Hello guys, you're welcome back. If you're this kind of people that doesn't like using sponge to scrub your body, I will advise you get a scrub, because a lot of people don't like scrub. They said it hurts. Some people said they can't use that to, it's going to be very harmful to their skin. But I'll advise you today to always use a scrub. Use a scrub. You can prepare your own special scrub right in the comfort of your home. It's not really hard for you to make a scrub, a body scrub. Meanwhile, if you want to prepare one, a lightning scrub, I can take you on that right away. All you need is just turmeric powder. You know, turmeric, what it does. Turmeric help lighten the skin. And then you get a brown sugar or white granulated sugar. Then you can add lemon juice to it, or if you have coconut oil, you add to it. But if you don't have coconut oil, you can use honey. Add a little honey to it. These three ingredients: sugar, that's the granulated sugar, and turmeric powder. Those two ingredients. Then you add honey. But if you don't have honey, you can use coconut oil. Then mix those three ingredients together. That's it. Your scrub is ready. Then you use it to scrub out dead skin cells. If you prepare this scrub for your skin, you will notice you have the smooth, soft, and supple skin. Some of you that are complaining that you have you're having a strawberry skin, you're seeing a rough skin and stuff like that, is as a result of not using a scrub to scrub out those deads from your skin. You need to buy a scrub for your skin. So if you're buying one, I have a special scrub to recommend for you. If you can't prepare one in the comfort of your home, just like I said. This one I want to recommend to you is very, very affordable. You will not have to spend all your money, in buying scrub. The scrub is Ashanti salt scrub. It's nice grinded salt scrub, good for your skin. It could help make your complexion lighter, fresher, and silky smooth. It's going to reduce facial acne and bodily rashes. So if you're having this, the rashes on your skin, it's going to help you get rid of all of those things. It's also going to help you reduce dark skin on the abdomen. So if you have not been using scrub, take note. You can as well use your scrub to scrub your abdomen. You can also use it to scrub your underarms or wherever needed. So try and get a scrub for your skin. Even if you're not using it every day, it's advisable you use it 3 times in a week. Use it 3 times in a week. Your skin is going to look so beautiful and smooth. So I'll recommend the yellow Ashanti that contains ginger and turmeric for a fairer skin, while someone with a caramel skin can use the blue container that contains bath salt and honey. Honey skin can use the one with honey inside. That's the brown container. So meanwhile, You that is looking at me, have you subscribed to my channel? No, you haven't. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. For those of you that have subscribed and have been seeing your likes and your comments, God bless you.